Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about GST, Goods and Services Tax, the smart taxation system. Our today's question is, it is important to utilize experiences from global economies that have implemented GST before us to overcome the impending challenges. We have to comment on it. Our introduction would be, first of all, what is GST? The Goods and Services Tax (GST) is value-added tax and indirect tax levied on most of goods and services sold for domestic consumption, except few state taxes. Then the GST is paid by consumers, but it is remitted to the government by this businesses selling the goods and services. Established by 101 first Constitutional Amendment and have 5 slabs: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Then GST adopted by nearly 160 countries, and France is the first one to introduce in 1954 to reduce tax evasions. After implementation of GST, India got positive outcomes like transparency, more foreign investment, more companies registered under this as formal sector, then reduce cost of doing business, more startups take place and reduce too many taxes in just 5. But we still facing challenges. What are the challenges? Poor implementation of GST. Several businesses, companies and customers still doesn't have proper understanding about it. Then due to lack of awareness, customer pay money which is previously paid by them, and seller took all the benefits, but customers couldn't enjoy the fruit of GST. Then conflict between state and center governments due to dual system of GST, hard to utilize by low knowledge and illiterate persons. Then fail to be one country, one tax. Then low revenue and fiscal autonomy for the states. Due to lockdown, COVID-19 pandemic, demand and supply disruption and reduced finance of government who need more finance to spend on health sector to overcome this pandemic. Then India can utilize experiences from global economies, like India follow Canadian model of GST, but we can learn from Canada to collect GST with transparency and no conflict with states. India can follow single tax system, which is followed by Malaysia 3%, Singapore 7%, Australia 10%. Then New Zealand doesn't impose GST on residential rents. India can also learn from low and multiple tax slab countries, like Brazil have 0%, 1.65%, 2%, 7%, 12%, 17%. Then France 2.1%, 5.5%, 10%, 20%, and others. Do you know the Chinese slabs? If you know, then mention it comment section. Our way forward would be, what can we do? State and center need to collaborate together to implement GST and tackle pandemic. Government need to discuss with GST Council for the submersion of tax slabs, rationalizing them. Then include other subjects like petroleum, alcohol, electricity into GST. Then rates should be reduced for medical supplies to tackle pandemic. Our conclusion would be, GST is no doubt a good step for economic growth and development of our country, but need to proper implementation of it with federal system to tackle pandemic, also overcome the challenges by utilizing experiences from global. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.